Far beyond our skies, a wandering neutron star drifts silently. What if this stellar remnant came dangerously close to Earth? Would humanity survive the pull of such a cosmic monster? A neutron star may be just 20 kilometers wide, yet it holds more mass than our entire sun. Its gravity could crush Earth like paper. Imagine looking up at night and seeing a second ghostly sun in the sky. That would be the arrival of the neutron star. The balance of Earth's orbit would shatter. Tides would rise beyond imagination. Nature itself would spiral into chaos. A neutron star's surface is a battlefield of forces, radiation stronger than anything we know, and magnetism that could rip apart atoms. Oceans would surge, drowning entire nations. Tides no longer gentle but catastrophic waves. Humanity would have no place to hide. Radiation storms would strike like invisible lightning. Machines would fail. Satellites would burn. Civilization would begin to collapse. Our scientists would see the danger too late. Numbers would reveal a truth beyond escape. Earth is falling into the star's gravity. The planet itself would tear apart. Volcanoes would awaken everywhere at once. Earth's skin would burn from within. Gravity would twist Earth like soft clay. Mountains pulled higher, oceans dragged wider. The world would become unrecognizable. For humans, the sky would never be the same. Day and night would blur under its ghostly light. Every horizon would feel like the end. The Earth's shield would shatter. Auroras would dance across every sky, but their beauty would hide deadly radiation. A cosmic scavenger, the star would bring chaos. Asteroids pulled from space like toys, each one a bullet aimed at Earth. One impact would erase nations. Fire, water, and ash would rule the Earth. Survival would become a fading dream. Our machines in space would fall silent. Astronauts stranded watching Earth die. No technology could save us. Even the air we breathe would abandon us. The atmosphere stripped away into the void. Earth would choke under silence. The ground beneath us would betray us. Cities would crumble into dust and ash. Civilization would sink into ruins. Radiation would boil the oceans. Steam would smother the skies. And Earth would suffocate in its own heat. Orbit would shatter. Earth dragged into a fatal spiral. Every second the star pulls us closer. And then, Earth would be no more, shredded into dust by the neutron star. Our home, lost forever in silence. As Earth edges deeper into the neutron star's pull, even space itself begins to ripple and bend around us. The gravity tears at our oceans, raising tides that dwarf skyscrapers, swallowing entire coastlines. Even the mountains cannot resist. Chunks of Earth itself are pulled upward, defying the planet's own gravity. Earth's atmosphere begins to unravel, stripped into glowing ribbons of light across the heavens. Skylines tremble, concrete splits, and humanity faces forces no machine can withstand. The planet itself begins to warp, stretched and strained like a fragile sphere of clay. Our instruments scream warnings too late. The rogue star's power is far beyond prediction. In mere days, our blue planet transforms into something unrecognizable, reshaped by alien gravity. Under an alien sky, fear spreads through humanity as the very laws of nature twist above. Beneath the Earth, survivors cling to hope, unaware that the ground itself is no longer stable. Gravity claws open the planet's skin, birthing rivers of fire that cut across entire continents. Pieces of our world drift into the void, torn free by the neutron star's invisible hand. The seas surge uncontrollably, rewriting coastlines, drowning nations in hours. Even our moon cannot survive. It shatters into fragments, a sacrifice to the neutron star's hunger. With its core disrupted, Earth's shield against space falters, leaving us naked beneath the cosmic storm. In their final moments, scientists whisper truths too terrifying for the world to bear. Every living thing senses the change, instinct screaming that the world itself is dying. Even sunlight bends unnaturally, warped into ghostly halos across the darkening sky. Humanity's final witnesses stand in awe, watching the heavens twist into a nightmare. Our home hurtles ever closer, its fate sealed in the crushing embrace of the neutron star. The neutron star's pull would stretch light itself, bending reality. Our skies would no longer look familiar, but like a warped painting of the cosmos. Magnetic storms would dance across our skies. Beautiful, yet deadly, the heavens would glow like a warning sign from the universe. Calculations would confirm humanity's worst fear. There would be no escape, only a countdown to the end. Tidal forces would rip oceans apart. The seas would turn against us, rising in colossal waves with unstoppable fury. Survival would drive humanity underground, yet even beneath the Earth, there would be no true safety from the neutron star's grip. Our moon would not survive. It would be torn from us, dragged into the abyss like a sacrifice to the cosmic giant. Gravity itself would betray us. Concrete and steel would warp, as if the laws of physics no longer applied. Even in space, there would be no refuge. Humanity's creations would be torn apart, powerless before the neutron star. The planet's very skin would shatter. Fire would erupt from the ground as Earth's heart broke under the strain. Time itself would twist near the neutron star. Seconds would stretch, moments bending into eternity. The heat of twisted gravity would forge deserts of glass. Nature's beauty transformed into a wasteland of fire and silence. Faith would be humanity's last refuge. As the end drew closer, prayers would rise louder than the screams, "A neutron star is no bigger than a city, yet heavier than the sun." Its pull would command the universe itself. Even the youngest would feel it. A strange new star in the night sky, beautiful and terrifying all at once. Orbit would fail. Earth would no longer dance around the sun, but spiral helplessly toward its doom. The coldest place on Earth would not survive. Ice would shatter, oceans would boil, and life would vanish. Science would give us answers, but not salvation. Humanity would know the end was near, but not how to stop it. Water, our source of life, would become our executioner. Waves higher than mountains would crush civilizations in a single strike. The planet would be torn apart from the inside out. Earth itself would bleed fire into the void. In the end, Earth would vanish without a sound. A once vibrant world consumed by the silent hunger of a cosmic monster.